This is so cute. So cute. I finally got a Curves bag. It kind of gives Telfar with their limited edition drops. If you guys aren't familiar with Curves, it's a go-to tote bag. My cousins have so many. I'll insert a picture of how many they have. So I had to hop on board. They do ship DHL though. So if that has ever presented to be a problem for you guys, like it was for me, just know that. Their Instagram is Curves at Home. This brown one is so cute. This is my first time unboxing it, so something else is in here. So cute. I believe it has handles too. The back looks like, okay. So this is the mini. Let me see if I can stand up a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, well that's cute. That's so cute for like a little, just to throw like your iPhone and your wallet in here and go. This is so cute. Definitely cute grab and go. And you can also take it as like a clutch if you want to when you go out. Okay, zipper is fresh because it's barely zipping. Hold on. I'm kind of having issues with the zipper. If you know a Curves bag, let me know if you guys have ever had issues with the zipper. I'm gonna chalk it up to it's brand new and just need it to be zipped a few times. Next. So it has large handles right here. And then it has short handles right here. So I think the thing is with these is you're supposed to add a bunch of keychains and stuff. But I love, you can fit so much stuff in here. And I just love how big it is and stuff. This is going to be a journey. I want to do like a decorate my Curves bag with me and whatnot. Some people also will put this on here too. So you add it right there. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So cute. All right, so this is my new Curves bag. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else, if you guys want to know about me decorating it. I'm looking around to see like what cute little things I could put on this. I think what makes these cute is actually the bag charms and like keychains and stuff. So stay tuned. We will add some more of this, but I'm so happy to finally unbag with my Curves bag. But if you guys like videos like this and want to see more, just comment below and I can do another bag haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.